so sleepy. It's what's the time now? It's 7:30.
Yeah.
And our cab pickup is at 8:30.
Yes.
So we are just having our breakfast.
Some coffee.
Yeah. For some
We
wake up.
need that. Still very, very, very tired from yesterday's journey. Honestly, needed a little bit more sleep, but it's okay. That's not what we are here for.
Let's go. And some traditional snacks apparently. Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Cheers.
It's steamed, definitely steamed. मोदक का जो coating होता है ना, coating of the modak tastes like this. Hopefully, I'm hoping for something sweet in the center. Let's see. It's banana based.
Why and where are you taking us today?
Yeah, good.
No, where are we going today? Where?
We're going to waterfall.
Waterfall, Sidemen.
Gembleng Waterfall,
Gembleng.
Sidemen.
Today we are going to Sidemen to
Have a nice trek, have a small dip, and look at the beautiful volcano looming over the entire place.
So we have Budi here with us, who will be our guide, who will be telling us, showing us Bali.
Which is B-A-L-I, Bali. B, bersih. Bersih is clean.
Okay.
A, aman. Aman mean peaceful or santi, correct? Santi. And then L, lestari mean always. I, indah mean beautiful. Clean, peaceful, always beautiful. That is
Lovely.
right?
Alright, so we are in Sidemen right now and our trekking will begin in some time. You can see the place, it's full of green, right? We'll be showing you more of everything.
Some
Some waterfall.
Some volcano.
We are all ready for the trek. Are you ready?
So we have to follow the irrigation system.
Yes, we have to follow the irrigation system and we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
We had an option to get a guide. We refused it because we want to do things by ourselves.
Yes, by ourselves. Just look at the view. Greenery everywhere. So we just encountered a wild lizard.
Not a good deal.
Lizard.
Oh, it's so pretty. I love it.
But it's so pretty. Yes, it's amazing. It's,
so beautiful. Oh my god.
now you guys can see what we are talking about. Just look at the view. Look at the greenery everywhere. This was a much needed break for us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, we needed this.
Oh, typical dialogue, and from the hustle and bustle of the city, we needed a break. For real. This is the irrigation system which our guide was talking about. What we have to do is we have to just follow this and we'll be okay.
He said he guaranteed that we will have the best view of our life by the time we finish this trek. Like, we are gonna remember it forever. एडिटर है ना हमारा इन हाउस बेस्ट एडिटर इन द वर्ल्ड ध्यान से बू बू नहीं नहीं मत कर ऐसे लो
We have found a villa here. It has got its own pool and a slide. Can you guys see that? From the top floor, there's a slide there. Where were these when we were booking?
next time.
Next time. Next time. Vlogception. Show your face, no. Can't see your face. Just showing you guys the view, what we are seeing right now.
POV.
POV. My favorite POV.
I'm also a view.
Can you guys hear it? That's the peace. This is much needed.
No cars honking, nobody screaming except me.
How can a place be this beautiful, Boo?
And this peaceful.
Just green everywhere.
They grow different kind of rice here. White rice, red rice, brown rice, yellow rice. There's something called yellow rice.
Nice.
So-
Something new for me, new
Yeah.
information for me. Littered. Hats on, क्योंकि
बहुत धूप हो गया.
बहुत धूप हो गया है. अब नहीं हो पा रहा बर्दाश्त.
Okay, let's
Okay, let's
continue.
go. Continue.
Look at me.
Hi.
Hey. Cooling down.
Cooling down.
Yes.
Much needed.
कैसा लग रहा है वो?
Amazing. A little bit tired, to be honest.
Yeah, at this
But
point.
It's worth it. It's worth it. I mean, just look at the view. Look at this fucking beauty.
So good. All the tiredness is gone.
Let's continue. Hi, what are you doing?
Are you happy now, boo?
Happiest.
Cardio.
Finally.
Now.
Finally.
Fitness is my middle name now.
देखते हैं वो वापस बैंगलोर जाके पता चलेगा.
ऊपर चढ़ के Thing is not to get tired.
Bye.
Don't run. Oh my god. I was not even racing with you. This is enough cardio for me. Wait for वाह pose मार रहा है. Oh my god, we finished 3 hours का trek in almost 2 hours.
We finished 3 hour trek in 2 hours. Why?
Because we are Indians and we are built different.
Desis. So, the trek has come to an end. We are back to where we started. Nice. Beautiful.
Look at the architecture.
We have reached our destination. Who will tell you guys where we are?
We're going to Gembleng Waterfall and one of the active volcanoes here, Mount Agung. We get a beautiful view of the active volcano. Hopefully, we get a good view if the clouds are clear. And yeah, we can have a nice cold dip there, relax a little.
Basically, we're going there to relax after trek, 2 hour trek. It's high time we go there and we need a chill dip. So, we'll see you guys there. Nice. Hi.
So pretty.
I can already hear it. Oh no, this is the small one. Oh, the continuation, no? Damn. So many stairs.
Are you? Ruko. My God. What happened, boo?
So nobody said that there's gonna be too many stairs to climb.
I knew it. I saw all the YouTube videos. You didn't.
Okay. I'm not tired at all.
Not at all.
Not at all tired.
Not at all. Just dying internally, that's it.
Yeah, just dying into me. Yeah. The Bali experience. But you're showing something. You're gonna show something.
My nails.
Under the water.
Another water. Look, so pretty.
Hi.
Hi.
Enjoying the view?
Loving it.
Lovely. What else do you need in life, huh?
I'm living here forever. Not going back to Bangalore.
Nail appreciation time.
Nail appreciation time.
It's again mermaid sunset.
Mermaid sunset. You're a mermaid?
My nails are.
Melissa.
I will explain for the coffee plantation here. Maybe you have seen before?
Yeah, in India we have seen some.
Okay. For the type is Arabica coffee. In here we have the two kinds of coffee, Arabica and Robusta. Put the mangoes after the dry. This is dry fruit. We must take one by one. The fruit like this.
Okay.
Yeah, take one by one and peel up and a smooth. For the example, first we arrange in hot water. Yeah.
So we are trying the Luwak coffee, the most expensive coffee
In the world.
in the world.
Excited. Genuinely like excited.
Try it out, try it out.
Mongoose pooped it and now we are having.
How is it?
I actually like it. I actually like the flavor.
Nice.
Like with proper like thora milk, not creamer. Just like how we add milk. It will be so delicious. I so wanna see your reaction, my food adventurous baby. Poopy coffee. No.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
The taste is good.
Really good.
With just the creamer.
Imagine
Still,
with proper milk. It will
Like
be
the
so
way
good.
we Indians prefer our coffee.
Many people, not like in general.
I'm catering to the Indian audience right now.
Papa.
The 24 Indian audience who will be watching this.
Yes, 25.
25.
Yes. But honestly, how is the review?
I like it.
Me too.
I like it.
Yeah.
Taste is really good. We are out and about. So We are out for some refreshment.
yeah, refreshment. Yes.
Yeah, we came back to the hotel very late. Traffic के मामले में Bali is not better than Bangalore in any way. By the time we were back, it was I think around 7 o'clock maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, around 7 o'clock, and we were in no condition to come out that time. So we decided to rest for some time. We went to the room and passed out immediately, and then I had to wake Luwak.
And I cried.
And she cried because I woke her up. Show your face.
I wanted to sleep but also have fun. So if he wouldn't have woken me up today, I would have screamed at him tomorrow. Why didn't you wake me up? So it's good he woke me up. But since he woke me up today, I cried. But now
But
I'm
now?
having a great time.
Yeah.
So we had a vibe. It's all chill and nice. We will step outside and let you know the name later. We just saw the place, loved the vibe and walked in.
Yeah. It's time to say adieu to the vlog because we need to end the vlog.
Yeah. So we are done vlogging for the day. And we are gonna have some time and
Then
relax.
we are going to rest,
Yeah.
and we are going to rest for a very, very long time. And we're gonna wake up tomorrow around I think 10 o'clock, and then we'll decide what we are gonna do tomorrow.
Yeah.
So I'll let you know guys tomorrow what we are going to do.
Yes.
Alright, chalo, bye bye. Good night.
Good night.
My sports chal raha hai.
So what is the name of the bar? We just checked.
It's
Sports bar.
Stadium Cafe.
Stadium Cafe. Sports bar.
It's a sports bar.
Okay, this looks amazing. It's all the fried yummy stuff.
Yes.